Hey guys, this is Robert with Malai Law. We help entrepreneurs just like you start their businesses without dealing with complicated legal forms. We are also the #1 highest rated business law firm for entrepreneurs with more than 1,500 five-star Google reviews. Today we are going to talk about whether or not you can register a business in the US if you are here on a visa. First, I want to let you guys know that I am not an immigration lawyer, and I strongly suggest that you speak to one before continuing with your business. I also want to mention that this is a very general explanation and it all depends on the particular visa that you have. Now that I've disclaimed that to you, I will provide you with a little bit of information on whether or not you can own or start a business in the US if you are here on a visa. Oftentimes the answer to the question will be yes, and you will be able to start an LLC in the US with a visa. However, it is very likely, depending on the visa, that you will need to appoint someone else as the manager of the LLC that is not here on a visa. Essentially, this means that you will act as the member and owner of the LLC, but you will have to appoint another individual to be the manager of the LLC that has the proper work authorization to handle the day-to-day operations of the LLC. Generally, and depending on the visa, you should have no involvement in the operations of the business, and you should view yourself as just a passive investor in the business. So you might be asking yourself, how is it even possible to operate a business under these limitations? And I will explain some of your options to you now. First, you can hire a manager with US work authorization and delegate all operations to this manager. This means that you need to make sure that your role in the business is limited to being just a passive investor. Second, you can partner with a US citizen or lawful permanent resident and delegate all operations to your partner. You must again make sure that your role in the business is limited to just being a passive investor. Third, you can get a visa or status which permits you to work in the US. One visa that is very popular is the E2 visa. An E2 visa is available to citizens of countries with E2 treaties with the USA. To get an E2 visa, you must invest a substantial amount of capital in the US business, usually at least $100,000, and you must direct and develop that business. Additionally, your investment funds can't just sit in your business bank account. Instead, they should actually be spent and put to use to grow the business. You must also prove that your investment funds were obtained lawfully. Overall, there are other visas you can get to obtain work authorization in the US. However, I strongly suggest that you speak to an immigration lawyer about getting a visa that would allow you to manage an LLC rather than just own it. And again, if you already have a visa, I strongly suggest that you speak to an immigration lawyer before you start your LLC to make sure that you are not putting yourself or your visa at risk. So hopefully I have not scared you. And if you believe that you are an entrepreneur that is able to launch a business in the US, then click the link below to schedule a free consultation with us. And during the phone call, we will be able to analyze your particular situation and get you the answers that you need before you start your US business. So go ahead and click the link below. And also, if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below, and my team and I will try to get to them as soon as possible. See you guys in the next video.